Hey everyone. So this week I've got an AI sales agent that helps you compare two competing products to understand them better. So in this example, I've got Bonvita and Boost. So when we give these two URLs to the agent, in the background, the agent goes to Amazon.in, understands Bonvita and Boost, and then comes back with three factors by which we should compare uh, these two products before making our buying decision. So in this case, it's nutritional value, taste and flavor, and the last one is the brand reputation. So let me choose nutritional value and again submit this. Now what happens? Again, the agent goes back to the Amazon.in, but this time only looks through the nutritional value on that page and understands both products and compares both of them only based on nutritional value and presents them to us here. So here we look at Bonvita, it's got vitamin D, etc. And similarly for Boost, it summarizes everything. And in the end, it gives us a conclusion saying when you should choose Bonvita and when you should choose Boost. And based on your satisfaction with this, you can again rate the system. Again, this goes back into the system as reinforcement learning. So you can either like it or dislike it. So let's look at another example here. So here I've got ACs. So I've got a Blue Star AC and an LG AC. So now here we've got three factors. The three factors here are energy efficiency, cooling performance, and durability. So let's look at cooling performance. So let me submit this. And I've got another example as well, which is comparing printers. So we've got an Epson printer and a Canon printer here for comparison. So let me go in and run this agent as well. And let me go back to the AC review. And here now it is comparing based on the cooling performance. So here it's comparing Blue Star versus LG only based on their cooling performance and then gives you a summary and a conclusion. Similarly, when we look at the printer comparison, you should base your buying decisions based on either cost efficiency, functionality, or user experience. So let's look at user experience in this example. So again, it goes to both the websites, understands the user experience of Epson versus Canon for this particular printer, and presents the results back to us in a very formatted manner. So this agent is a multi-step agent, in fact. So it's got two steps. If you look at step one is where it only identifies the topics, and you can use either OpenAI or you can use an open source LLM. So we've tried both and it works well in both scenarios. And step two is where it only compares both the products on the topic that we've selected, topic or the factor that we've selected. So in this example, based on the user experience, um, uh, the comparison between Epson and Canon is based on the user experience. So it compares based on the reviews, ratings, and the connectivity and print quality. Similarly, it compares Canon on the same factors and then gives you a conclusion on when you should choose which printer. So like I said, this is a multi-step agent. It's got step one, where it first understands the categories or the factors, and then based on the factor that you'd like it to compare, it does another workflow through which it understands and goes through the whole the Langflow setup here. And again, we have the whole tracing and observability here. So if I refresh the page, you can see the whole tracing that happened now. And this is the recent one we have. And I can go in and I can look at all the results that were generated. I can understand these results and I can use this for again reinforcement learning as well as improving the systems. So in conclusion, this multi-step sales agent can help us in understanding products better. So this is just one example, but there are multiple applications with the same workflow that we can use for different use cases, for understanding insurance, for understanding other products and different categories in different websites. So if this is something that you are interested in and you'd like to implement in your organization, don't forget to reach out to me. Thank you.